3, 2, 1.
Today I will show you. Here are some of the special things about tigers. 1. Powerful swimmers. Unlike most cats, tigers love water and are excellent swimmers. They can swim up to 40 miles per hour. 2. Unique stripes. Each tiger's stripe pattern is like a fingerprint. No two are alike. This helps them camouflage themselves in their environment. 3. Vocal cats. Tigers have a wide range of vocalizations, including roars, growls, chuffs, and hisses. They use these sounds to communicate with each other. 4. Solitary creatures. Tigers are mostly solitary animals, except for mothers and their cubs. They live in large territories that they mark with scent markings. 5. Apex predators. Tigers are at the top of the food chain and play an important role in maintaining healthy ecosystems.